The Innovator, a blueprint for collaborative genius. Deconstructing the developmental leap at age 4+. Around age 4, a fundamental shift occurs in play and problem solving. They begin to think not only, what can I build, but how can we build this together? And this new kind of play is defined by three core forces. The Innovator stage is guided by three interlocking themes: logic, to plan and reason; collaboration, to share goals and roles; and engineering, to design, test, and refine ideas. Right arrow together, these shape a much more complex kind of play. This stage's focus is complex, collaborative engineering. At this stage, children coordinate multiple ideas, materials, and people. They plan structures, solve problems together, and adapt as challenges arise. Play becomes a shared system, not a solo activity. And we can see this clearly in real-world play. This developmental leap is supported by two foundational pillars: the social foundation and the cognitive engine. Right arrow. Let's start with the social foundation. According to Parton, this is the stage of cooperative play. Children share goals, divide roles, and work toward a common outcome. Success now depends on collaboration, not competition. Which means play is no longer just about objects. The central dynamic is no longer just the structure or the symbol, but about the negotiation with peers to build complex systems. Lev Vygotsky's theories emphasize that at this stage, cognitive development is socially mediated. Complex thinking does not happen in isolation, it is constructed through social interaction, language, and shared problem solving. Advanced linguistic skills are required to plan, assign roles, and solve problems. Collaborative engineering demands children use language to articulate plans, delegate tasks, and negotiate challenges collectively. This verbal process is powered by an emerging use of logic to solve abstract, cause and effect problems. We see the full Innovator blueprint emerge. Social negotiation, cognitive planning, and shared execution combine into true collaborative engineering. And this leads to recognizable behaviors. Hallmarks of the Innovator: shared goal setting, role division, collective problem solving, verbal negotiation. These are not just play skills, they are life skills in formation. Right arrow, and we see them clearly in real play environments. This stage is the genesis of true collaborative problem solving. The Innovator stage represents more than just a phase of play. It is the crucible where essential life skills are forged. The ability to form a shared vision, negotiate plans, and work collectively to achieve a goal. At Qtoys, every material is intentionally designed to nurture this stage, where logic, language, and cooperation come together through play.